Welcome to the knowledge of ETAQWA. The forgotten truth. In humanity's dawn, we lived in harmony with nature, possessing health, wealth, and happiness through Tai Chi, our innate energy. This ancient way of life is called ETAQWA. The corruption. Eventually, a power-hungry group made it their goal to control the world by disrupting our connection with nature. The knowledge of ETAQWA, Tai Chi for manifestation, was seized. The deception by spreading misinformation. They created the first ETAQWA, teaching people to seek livelihood through servitude, distorting our original way of living. The loss. ETAQWA was forgotten, replaced by hardship and struggle. Non-compliant individuals were exiled. But eventually, ETAQWA underground illustration huddled up secretly. These individuals were first to preserve ETAQWA in secret. The resistance. A secret few preserved ETAQWA's truth, passing it down through generations. The truth revealed in Tai Chi flow. Tai Chi fuels manifestation, flowing through us, infused with our consciousness and our superconscious thoughts. The alignment and institution. Realign with nature's truth to manifest effectively. Unlock your true self by embracing sexuality at its core. Consciousness illustration glowing brain regions. Conscious sexuality is ETAQWA's core premise to unlocking Tai Chi's power. Sexual energy illustration. Harness Tai Chi energy through intimate connection, amplifying manifestation, and reclaim your power illustration by being the confident person with the bright aura. Join the journey to rediscover your potential, unlock manifestation secrets, and reclaim your birthright. No more lies, no more struggles. If you would like to know more about these teachings, watch out for video 2 on Tai Chi's and its incredible power. Confidential. Don't forget to subscribe.